Face the first ball of the innings. Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Nudges it for a single.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
Slips in place. Missed that completely. Pacer introduced from the other end.
Fielder placed at point.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Has to walk back to the pavilion.
Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming.
That has made some serious damage.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
Fielding team can now have more than 2 fielders outside the inner circle.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
That is an excellent catch.
Has to walk back to the pavilion.
There is a fielder at cover.
It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series. Oh, that was a seriously quick ball.
Change in the bowling. Pacer being brought back. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Trying to up the run rate there. A very loose shot in the end. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
There is a fielder at cover.
Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
That's hit straight to the fielder. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Oh, shot, but only a single. What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge of the seat thriller here. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That is a very quick signal taken.
There is a fielder at cover. strokes it into the gap for a single. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for six. Last ball of the innings coming up. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. And that's it. A brilliant performance from the bowlers. They bowled good lines all day. In the end, the target was a little too much for the batsmen. The keeper runs away to join the team in their celebrations. They played well and deserved the victory.
Let's congratulate